So one of the biggest things that is happening today in the crypto world is the Blast Layer 2 launch. And everyone right now is talking about the first meme coin on Blast called PackMoon. And here you can see all the influencers that are posting and retweeting about the PackMoon airdrop. And the best part is that only thing you need to do is to sign up. The only way you can sign up is with a referral code. My referral code is down in the description and on the screen. And one of the ways you can make your airdrop bigger is by depositing some Ethereum from layer 1 to Blast layer 2. And the way you can do it is by using the Blast bridge. Another way you can make your PackMoon airdrop bigger is by inviting your friends. And I don't usually invest in meme coins, but I think this is one of the biggest opportunities because this is the first and the most popular meme coin on the Blast network, on the Blast ecosystem. And the Blast will be launching today, February 29th. And there is so much hype around it. And again, there are so many influencers right now talking about the PackMoon airdrop and everyone is signing up. So my advice is create a new wallet. Don't use your wallet with all of your NFTs and all of your funds. Just create a new MetaMask wallet. Sign up with my referral code, or you can use any code you want that you can find. And yeah, just claim your airdrop. Deposit some Ethereum from layer 1 to Blast layer 2. And if you want to see more alpha and be early for these opportunities, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so anytime I post a new alpha and new video, you get that notification instantly. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.